Today on Trevor's painting extravaganza, we're gonna just do a happy little seam over here.
Do you guys like my 80s hair? Look at this. Look at this majesticness. Getting a haircut soon. It's Trevor. He's matchy with his shirt and his hat.
I just joined a gang. Can you tell which one?
So we're at the boat. We're going to try and finish up the painting. We'll see. I think I'm going to probably primer the walls and stuff back here while Trevor does the front part.
Yeah, I can touch up some things.
Well, we got to do like the whole toilet side and all that stuff too. So here you can be up there doing that, and then I'll do all of this stuff and get that all ready to go. Ashes on the floor. I don't know if we're gonna paint the floor today, specifically because we're gonna be walking on it. Maybe like right when I leave, I'll just throw some primer down right here.
Yeah, that might not be a bad idea.
But then that also means we have to move the rudder and everything somewhere else.
To probably the Dutch side.
Right.
But all day, folks.
Yeah, right. But we're gonna get the painting. We got a whole gallon of more paint that's hiding behind that box right there, and we got some. I think I'm gonna just put the box more in front of it.
Yeah.
And then we got some paint we're gonna do for trim, and yeah, and that's the primer. I have to vacuum all of this and sweep and all that crap. But we're gonna get started. Trevor's gonna, like I said, start the front. I don't have another liner, so you're just gonna have to use that again.
I mean, yay.
The leg's busted. We bust the other one, at least it'll match.
Gotta put her down. She's going to the glue factory later.
Alright, I'm gonna get this up. No mermaid songs today, Trevor?
No, not yet. The mood has to strike the right way.
It's coming.
There will be some.
I'm doing a fantastic job of this right now. This is
you are.
Super detailed, perfectly straight masking job. Trevor went to the bathroom, now he's handing it off to me. Oh, this is your sample?
Yeah. Spiders up in here.
Paint them into the boat. They'll become part of it.
Shake, that, ting.
Like last time. But right now the biggest thing for me is getting the walls done. This part done. We can come up to this and see what we get.
Why don't we take like all this extra shit out and put it on the dock for right now?
But if one of us starts painting now, then while I'm getting shit out, you can be painting like that side over there.
Yeah. Okay.
You can tape off the window and then.
Ooh, my knees are so young and so able to support my weight. I'm floating away, floating on the bay of the Scappoose Sea. This is opening much easier than I feel like it should, which frightens me. Oh, they don't do no metal no mo, huh? No metal no mo. All right, let's pour some paint. Oh, I gotta mix that paint up first. So I need an adult. Tell me how to live. I want to live your life. We should have just brought like a party cup or whatever to get some of the paint out.
Yep, should have.
Oh yeah, stir that paint. See, I'm more of like a sensual stir. Like you gotta show the paint the respect it deserves, you know? But still get in there real nice and deep. I'm starting to get my Keith sweat on, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, wish me luck. I'm going to try my fun little method.
We're just gonna paint. Just a happy little scene. Can't tell if this is looking the right way. Don't you get all over that shit?
You guys enjoying Trevor Ross painting? Join our Patreon where he does it in the nude.
Yeah, that's how I make all my money. My OnlyFans, baby. I actually have an OnlyFans. It's called Bearded and Breaded, and I just cooked fried food in the nude with my beard. It's kind of like an extreme sport, you know? I have this giant cord in my way. I feel like I'm painting this like I'm finishing a room in a high-end home and not a 45-year-old boat that we're just trying to figure out how to do shit on. So need to speed it up a little bit. Yes. Oh yeah, I'll need that eventually. Oh god, that was more of a stretch than I should have done. Put your head right here, baby.
Did you hear that, Trevor? I was the one that sung that time.
You did.
And it sucked for everybody.
I'm just not putting very much on. Just don't paint directly above me, because then it's gonna just splatter all over me. I would maybe do like the rest of all of that, like all that right there.
Oh yeah, listen to that.
ASMR. Keep going though, because you gotta.
I know, but I want the sounds.
Embrace who you are. All the light touches is yours.
What about that over there? Never go there. That is where the motorboats reside. But I like a good motorboat.
You motorboating son of a bitch, you old sailor, you.
I can't think of why. Maybe I'm trying to use up the paint.
At what cost?
About 50 bucks.
Oh gosh.
What? Is there a lot of paint?
No, but well, not anymore. I'm still covering this entire wall, but you know, no big deal.
Well, that's the point. We're supposed to be covering the wall, Trevor. I like that you thought the epoxy resin stuff over there was me painting.
I just
This
assumed,
massive glob over
well,
here.
I've seen some large globs, okay?
Physically, it's
And we're
super.
not talking about in the bedroom.
It's super highly unlikely that there'd be this much paint that piles up unless you go over it multiple times.
Old Mother Hubbard.
Painted or covered, and then realized it was a waste of time. Along came a spider, sat down beside her, and die, motherfucker, die.
Don't lean back. Your head.
I'm enjoying this though. It's a productive start of the day. It's not free. Nothing's free, kids. Trevor, I put too much paint on the brush.
Really?
This might come as a surprise.
All right, now don't put this in the paint for a second.
Why not? Oh, my head. Oh god, okay. This is nice. Sometimes I like to just stare up and look at the paint that I'm smelling. I mean, after that, we're halfway through the boat.
Yeah, which is cool.
Do you want to finish doing that real quick while I move the boat back? About Walmart. We had to wait every week for a new show to come out.
Do this newfangled binge watching thing.
Are you still watching or are you chilling, quote unquote?
Yeah.
Right?
Is that what Netflix says now? Do they literally ask you?
Instead of are you just watching?
You can touch it more than twice, you're playing with it.
Oh, we're talking about the GoPro?
Yeah? I'm a godsend.
I mean,
He sent me as a joke, but.
yeah.
You gotta make love to the wall, Henry, not just fuck it, okay?
Alright.
Well, you gotta fix all your ridges, dude.
I
You got
will.
ridges.
We're gonna name this boat Ruffles.
Ruffles have ridges.